Today we're in the middle of a workshop for teachers to help them start thinking about teaching computer science. We're really starting to see a shift where computer science is going to become one of the core subjects in the K-12 schools.
I've been seeing a lot of teachers who are more and more interested in teaching computer science. So it's actually been a great experience because they've been asking for more. How else can I do this? What can I do? And they've already been coding things that they're trying to use in their classroom.
And I think it will be super empowering, especially for the students that I serve. They all look like me. They have a lot of Latina students like me who might not identify in the math field, but hopefully this would open some doors for them.
Well, we're very grateful to the PACs for their sponsorship of this workshop. They recognize the need for teachers to have a better understanding of computer science, and we figured out a way to start implementing, so it's been really fun.